Hello, little learners. Welcome to Homeschool Channel. Learn with Omer. Let's learn and have fun.
The mountain is so tall. Ah, I am visiting the mountain. I start walking on the trail. There are many rocks here. This rock feels rough. Wow, this trail is getting steep. I am climbing higher. Wow, I can see how far I walked. I see tall pine trees. The tree bark feels rough. I see a mountain goat. The goat jumps on the rocks. The air feels cool up here. And I see a waterfall. The waterfall sounds so loud, and it's so beautiful. The water feels very cold. I see wildflowers here. The flowers smell so sweet. There are big rocks here. I climb over the big rock. I will rest here for a while. I drink some water. I can see the valley below. I am very high up now. I see moss on the rocks. The moss feels soft and cool. I see an eagle flying. The eagle flies so high. I walk carefully here. The trail is getting narrow, but I can do it. I see snow up here. Wow, it's snow. It's so cold, but so much fun. I made a small snowball. I throw the snowball. Wow, the clouds look so close. I can almost touch the clouds. I am almost at the top.
Just a few more steps.
I reached the top. The view is amazing. Ha! Everything looks so small. Ha! Ha! I feel the wind blowing. I will rest at the top. I place my little flag. Ha ha ha! I am proud of my climb. I take a photo here. The sky is changing color. It is time to go down.
I start walking down.
I walk down carefully. Goodbye to the snow. No! The air feels warmer now, but I hear the waterfall again. There is the goat again. There is the goat again. Goodbye, little goat. I saw so many things today. I saw so many things today. I am walking home now. I walk down carefully. I brought back special things.
Thanks for learning with Omer. Please like and subscribe. Click the button below.